I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open MG car key. Start by finding a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Carefully separate the fob halves by inserting the tool into the seam and twisting gently until clips release. Remove the internal battery and note its orientation before touching any circuit parts. Keep screws and small components in a tray so nothing is lost during the process. Begin by inspecting the fob exterior for screws or a release slot near the keyring. If screws exist, remove them first to prevent damage to the plastic clips. Use a thin plastic pry tool to wedge into the seam and twist gently until halves separate, then lift the circuit gently. Remove the battery, observe polarity, and set parts aside in order to simplify reassembly when you are finished. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading manuals and step guides on the go, with a glare-free display and long battery life that makes learning while you wait much nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if it suits you. Now let's get back to the video. After replacing the battery, align the circuit board and rubber keypad back into their positions inside the shell. Press the fob halves together until all clips click into place, then reinstall any screws you removed earlier. Test the remote functions from a short distance to confirm reliable signals, and use the physical key blade if programming seems necessary. If the fob still fails, try a fresh battery or consult a dealership for advanced diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.